Is there a tide rising in your international business? Not that tide. Ever dreamed of conquering the global market? Maybe you're a freelancer with clients across the border, or a small business owner with international ambitions. The world is your oyster, right? Well, almost. There's a whole new set of hurdles to jump over when it comes to international business, and one of those is managing your finances. You need a system that's efficient, secure, and ideally helps you navigate the sometimes murky waters of international transactions. So, the question pops up, can Tide be your financial anchor in this international sea of business? Here's the thing, Tide's a popular name in the business banking world. They offer a sleek online platform and mobile app specifically designed for small businesses and freelancers. Sounds perfect for our global ambitions, doesn't it? But hold on a sec, because before you dive headfirst into a Tide account for your international business, let's unpack exactly what Tide is and, more importantly, what it isn't. The truth about Tide, a UK-centric story. Here's the key takeaway, Tide is not an international bank. It's a UK-based financial platform specifically designed for British businesses. They offer business banking services, but their reach is limited to the United Kingdom. Think of it like your favorite local coffee shop. It's fantastic, has a loyal following, and serves up a mean latte. But if you're traveling to, say, Italy, you wouldn't expect to find that same coffee shop on every corner. Same goes for Tide. Can you still use Tide if you do business internationally? Now, this doesn't necessarily mean Tide is a complete no-go for international businesses. Here's a breakdown of what Tide can and can't do for you. Domestic transactions within the UK. If you have a business operating solely within the UK, Tide can be a great option. Their user-friendly app, expense management features, and competitive pricing make them a strong contender for managing your domestic finances. Receiving international payments. This gets a bit tricky. While Tide allows you to receive euros, they'll convert them to pounds and deposit them in your main account, charging a foreign exchange markup and a per-transaction fee. Not exactly ideal if you're working with international clients who pay in euros regularly. Making international payments, again, limited functionality. You can make international payments, but be prepared for similar fees as with receiving foreign currency. So, what are your options for international business banking? If you're serious about expanding your business globally, you'll need a financial partner built for that purpose. Here are some alternatives to consider. Traditional banks. Many established banks offer international business banking accounts. These accounts typically come with a wider range of features, including multi-currency support, dedicated international transaction services, and potentially better foreign exchange rates. However, they may also come with higher fees and require a larger minimum deposit. Online fintech banks. There's a growing number of online-only banks catering specifically to international businesses. These banks often offer competitive fees, multi-currency accounts, and streamlined international transaction processes. Do your research to find one that aligns with your specific needs. The bottom line, choose the right Tide for your business. There's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to international business banking. Tide might be a great fit for your domestic UK operations, but for international transactions, you'll need a solution with a broader reach. Carefully evaluate your business needs. Consider factors like transaction volume, currencies you deal with, and desired features. Then, explore the options available, including traditional banks and online fintech solutions, before making a decision. Remember, a strong financial partner can be the wind in your sails as you navigate the exciting, yet complex, world of international business. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.